Welcome to Okuma. My name is Simon and I work as automation specialist for the company Okuma in Europe. Here you can see our grinder automation solution consisting of Okuma GP26W and the RoboJob Turn Assist 200i for loading and unloading of shaft parts. The Okuma GP25W is designed for stable and high accuracy grinding of workpieces. The RoboJob Turn Assist 200i is a perfect extension to automate this machine. It consists of a 12 kg payload robot and a stocker table. In combination with a QR code scanner, the system is capable to machine different workpieces in the same setup. Each raw material has a tag with the relevant information so that the machine can load the right NC code and can prepare the setup according to the raw material. By combining the machine with the RoboJob automation solution, you receive a simple and easy to use production cell. For more information, contact us on the Okuma trade show booth or via info@okuma.eu. Thank you very much.